How to use Quiet Lab Mouthpiece. So first, go ahead and identify the top and bottom. To identify the upper and lower halves of the device, look for the up and down marks. The mouthpiece works only one way. Using it upside down will be uncomfortable and ineffective. And then after that, set your starting advancement. Your mouthpiece arrives in the neutral position with no forward jaw movement yet. This is the factory starting point. So once you're comfortable, begin adjusting the lower tray forward and small steps to improve results. And then insert and check fit. Place both trays securely in your mouth and close gently. They should feel snug and not tight. You can gently bend or adjust positioning to fit your mouth shape. And then start slowly. It feels awkward at first, and this is normal. Wear it for 1 to 2 hours while relaxing on day 1 and then progress to full night use once comfortable. Experiment with settings only after you've adopted to the feel of wearing the mouthpiece at a current setting. Early comfort in the first 2 to 3 nights strongly predicts success. Take your time to adapt to the mouthpiece and start at lower settings.